Hello everyone, welcome to Legal Lens Contract Drafting series. I'm Shivani, and in this series we will learn contract drafting in a very practical and simple way. Exactly how agreements are understood and structured in real legal work. If you are a law student, a junior lawyer, a freelancer, or someone dealing with agreements in business, this series will help you understand contracts with clarity and confidence. Before learning drafting, we must understand what a contract actually is. A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties that creates enforceable rights and obligations. In simple terms, when two parties agree on certain terms and the law recognizes that agreement, it becomes a contract. Every contract answers three basic questions. Who are the parties? What are they agreeing to do? What happens if obligations are not fulfilled? If these three things are clear, the foundation of a contract becomes strong. Now let's understand what drafting means. Contract drafting is the process of converting the understanding between parties into clear, structured, and legally effective language. It is not just writing sentences, it is organizing rights, obligations, timelines, risks, and protections in a logical and enforceable way. A good draft should always be clear, so parties understand it easily, precise, so there is no ambiguity, balanced, so neither party feels unfairly treated, enforceable, so it stands legally. Drafting is actually preventive law. It prevents disputes before they happen. Many legal disputes arise not because parties intended conflict, but because agreements were incomplete, vague, or poorly drafted. Unclear contracts lead to different interpretations, missing obligations, loopholes, and eventually disputes. For example, if scope of work is not defined clearly, parties disagree later on deliverables. If payment terms are vague, disputes arise on timelines. If termination rights are unclear, exit becomes difficult. So the quality of drafting directly affects the quality of the relationship between parties. That is why strong drafting creates certainty, trust, and legal protection. A lawyer's role in contract drafting is not just to write clauses. It is to identify risks, anticipate future issues, allocate responsibilities, protect client interests, and ensure legal validity. So drafting combines legal knowledge with practical foresight. In this contract drafting series, we will gradually learn the structure of a contract, essential clauses, service agreements, NDAs, MSAs, liability and indemnity, termination clauses, and practical drafting techniques. So by the end of this series, you will be able to understand and draft basic contracts with confidence. If you found this class helpful, do like the video and subscribe to Legal Lens for practical contract drafting lessons. You can also connect for contract drafting or agreement review assistance. In the next class, we will learn the basic structure of a contract. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe the channel, follow for more.